Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to do a product review on two different cleaners for the shower glass doors. The first cleaner we're going to try is Scrubbing Bubbles. I normally do not clean with these cleaners. I thought I would give it a go and do a product review for anyone who's watching. To help you decide. And the next one is CLR. Honestly, I was at the grocery store and I seen the CLR and I'm like, oh, let me try that on my shower glass doors. But I wanted to try the Scrubbing Bubbles too because it's normally two products I don't use in my in my day-to-day life. So we're gonna put these products to the test and then we'll let you know what I decide and what I choose. Try to CLR this time. We're going to spray it. It's going to sit on here for a couple of minutes and then we'll see how it works. This is a little bit more foamier. Was the Scrubbing Bubbles, and as you can see I still have some grime, some soap scum on my shower doors. Okay, this one is the CLR, so as you can see there's still some grimy on the shower doors. Okay guys, which product did I choose CLR or scrubbing bubbles. CLR has a harsh chemical smell, and I really don't like working with harsh chemicals. Scrubbing bubbles did a better job on the shower glass door to me. Even though my shower glass doors are pretty rough, I've let them go for so long because I do this for a living and it's very hard for me to keep up on my own shower doors. So I would definitely choose the scrubbing bubbles over CLR. Another tip for your shower glass doors is Rain-X. This is generally for your car windshield, but you can apply this to your shower glass doors and it will help keep the water deposits and the soap scum off of your shower glass doors. I use this product in my clients' houses and I also use it on my shower glass doors, but obviously this shower glass door got away from me. I hope you found value in this video. I hope it helps you pick a product or know that the CLR, if you were looking into that, does have a harsh chemical smell. The scrubbing bubbles smells a lot more pleasant. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know the next video that you would like me to put out. I would love to chat with you guys in the comment section. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.